To convert the Bravino Plus to carriage mode, first rotate the leg rest up to the level of the seat until the latches engage. Next, adjust the backrest to the lowest position. Make sure the child tray is securely attached. Lift the leg rest padding and separate the hook and loop. Flip the storage pocket inside out to release the carriage fabric from the storage pocket. Fully extend the fabric and the side panels. Attach the hook and loop fastener on the inside-out pocket to the seat padding. Attach the carriage fabric opening around the hook on the child tray. Repeat for the other side. Pull the carriage fabric up behind the child tray. Wrap it around the tray. Tuck the plastic tabs on the edge of the fabric into the slots under the tray. Check that the fabric is properly secured by pressing down on the seat. To convert the Bravino Plus back to stroller mode, start by releasing the plastic tabs on the carriage fabric from under the child tray. Unwrap the fabric from around the top of the tray. Detach the carriage fabric opening from around the hook on the arm of the tray. Repeat for the other side. Detach the hook and loop fastener on the inside-out pocket from the seat padding and flip the storage pocket back to its proper side. Neatly fold the side panels of the carriage fabric under the seat bottom and then fold the rest of the fabric back into the storage pocket. Reattach the hook and loop under the seat pad bottom. Adjust the footrest and backrest position as needed.